Abusia finally Denise that the Lumba ba Denise in Sembia Babe Twabontia. Ninsam no munchire mu enna yetiawa. Wo se ono wo gidie pa sa ne papa estate houses a ewo oman Ghana mu no. Ni nyina no wo wele no ewo ono Denise edin mu kire se papa ne tiase no no oben ye pa na papa no nso the estate houses no hwehwe ono Denise no ebo. Enti ono de enyan wanwa se that the Lumba ewel omo bebie so omo bekan no na all the estate houses that the Lumba dia no aba be yo no Denise dia na abusia ensem beto dwa no na sebi yesin so bo a wo se bo ene timliga wife of ahora kora yie pa pepe so be ka me ho akwaji nchemu haguso AK Black Media.
Inti pacho papa ne hwe ne ya no ye na nye just the estate nkwa no de share nsa omu se na ya sorry enso ka ho a no hia obi a na niku nyame adwuma ho ne na ase na nida fomfo nyame adwuma tuti audio scribe abonti papa ne se uja adie nyama we kra de ma obi a nyankopon apawo na ana ne nyankopon won tokwa enya ade a obetimi asoma na enya ade obetimi ahweso nyama ne nyina be collapse. Into at a point no there was a change. Emma odoba na nka papa ne be ye no akola ne be ye ma papa no ebesesa Emma into 2024 papa ni si adwo asafo ne papa ni no se onu na on take you over nyama nana akofana ye ni nyina Emma yeti wo interview adwo asafo ekoye se onu no hwe bibia so apart from the church oba entimi en lead no. And in the amendment na yate no, even though we are all not privy to know, almost say papa ne say we delete akofna free say obedi ade wa sorry no emu we delete you. Enti even though say papa na say me ni hono ma we anase we no, once he is deleted anase repair no, there was never we can't say there could be an election and answer a time be a leaders of the church betimi agina ka say bia sisi anu dey open to ono so betimi agina na ye choose among them because of say no particular ne there he's been deleted. Enti ya wa na beti say omo person mu Denise so then members of the church echo file for injunction. And one thing I know, and I stand to be corrected, they say, once you are served with an injunction, even though there has not been a pronouncement, and as a proceedings in course, it hurts you like reasonably. So whatever that has been putting a hold on will be here. And Sanaka Betuaso. Tianka be and Shem near better say, Omako, the main place anka. Omo de yet omo we no omo ceremonies no but unfortunately omo do what now was covered with security into omo entimi no omo de ban a private residence into Ajua as a sister who was invited to the ceremony decided to go there, and unfortunately ebe hu ya ne say omo so refi ho no ma omo betutu abono and the car no so say
Objection. Objection. What you are saying is not.
Wait. Let's hear.
Ajua was not invited.
Calm down. Who is presenting the objection? Kunana Kojo or Opoku Ajiman?
I raised the objection.
Okay, so tell us what was the objection about?
Ajua was not invited in that occasion.
Okay. Council, do you have anything to say or say Ajua was not invited?
Okay. Per the church lawyer no.
Per church lawyer no and per leaders of the church no. They says an invitation went out to everyone in the church, including Ajua Safo, being that she is also a member of the church. Invitation went out to her as well.
No, wait.
Let me explain your objection. Invitation go to the church leaders, the whole Ghana leaders, and yet every church member. Ajua is not a church leader.
Okay, you hold on. Akusia, which paragraph containing your in the press release? Can you tell the court?
Oh, say, and Nuntina, a friend say,
Botunka Bibia,
okay, okay, me mom it's Munka Bibia. Okay, name a patcho. Sorry, Penny.
Botunka Bibia, me,
How can be mammy and I'm the minimum church out to me came.
Mami Fahono.
Which paragraph?
City FM online.
No. Which paragraph? What's it?
Paragraph 3.
Paragraph
Okay,
92.
all right. So, okay. All right. Hold on. So, by court, the objection is overruled. Counsel proceed.
Paragraph.
I thought the lawyers were too.
3 say an invitation was sent to all the siblings. One can check them.
All the
You know what? This objection was not necessary at the moment because it does not form the merit of the matter. That was why the court has overruled it. So continue. The court wants to hear more. So continue.
Baby.
Council of the church say there was an invitation to all the siblings to come to
my reason objections are
hold on. Nana, could you let's hear your objection?
And my lord,
my brothers and sisters can also come in. So let's hear your objection.
Yes, my lord. The case before you,
Pacho Kase, your lordships, you are 3. Your
lordships. The case before you is a specific case. What my learned colleague is referring to is not before this court.
All right. So, Counsel, do you have anything to say?
I will be so surprised. Say, defense lawyer Becca said it's not before the court.
Let me make it short.
Mama, paragraph 3.
Which part in your pleadings can we find what you are saying? What's some of the other
3.
The objection is sustained. There's no paragraph.
No,
please continue.
The objection is Exhibit 27. Exhibit 27. You will find the official.
Hold on. A judge is talking.
This case was filed on Friday, and the event happened on Sunday.
No, hold on. Your a judge is talking to me, Kasabacho. Hold on.
No, Prestige, go ahead. I was asking if counsel Akosiati's objection is supporting the defense counsel, or what is she trying to do?
No, raise the objection. No, it's not me. To me, it's not me.
What's the objection?
It was Nana Kojo.
The objection is based on, and I'm wondering if you are.
No, I haven't said Nana Kojo Nekai. They make me raise the objection, but the amendment can say.
My sister, let's allow them.
Exhibit 27. No, counsel, you will find the official invitation that was sent to the my client Safua and her other siblings.
Counsel, can you let her talk?
Exhibit 27, you will find the official invitation that was sent to my client Safua and her other siblings.
Court is going to take judicial notice of that. Counsel, can you wrap up with your presentation?
Okay, thank you.
You have 2 minutes.
All right. Your client Joa Safo, being a part of the siblings to Kojo Akofna, decided to go there and to see say whatever the injunction has been put on is going on.
Objection, my lord. Objection.
So how we encounter?
No,
okay. So
there was nothing like an injunction on the ceremony. There was nothing like that. There was a rate of ceremony.
Confusing the two.
But there was nothing like an injunction on the ceremony. Please.
Okay, let me come in. Baby,
explain
no, Hab, just to give you clarity. won't mean didn't come on and go shooting because we are talking about the writ that was filed on Friday and on Friday in a handy. I wanted to just clarify.
Lawyer for me, no.
Oh, that this is your host. So we said the boy as a host. Okay, no,
so Christine be my say yen making in case so.
That's
one set boundary to only the 5 days notice.
It's not before this court.
No, but Munya Boche, unim. In as much say, no. Until in as much say, it's not before the court, no. Nenu kansa akosu aya na nakojo madwuma mom. We nti evan say we are no ho dia shame. You know, I just said that I want to tomb. You know, that
was my objection. And I gave my reason that the case she's talking about is not before this court.
Okay, all right. So, counsel, are you done with it?
No, the person may clarify, said there was an injunction or there was not, you know. According to the rate now that was served, you know, one of the elders of the church, even though someone call runs to give the rate to the elders of the church, you know, to make them know, said there has been a rate file on the occasion and no person, you know. One of the elders was served. So once one received, you know, they know, say, there has been an order. So every other thing pertaining to that order has to be put on hold.
And
then necessarily
counsel, no, for how many years have you been at the bar?
The
objection is sustained.
Objection sustained.
Objection sustained.
Okay, but if my colleague has
a
no, okay, now, but so this is the reason from the court. So far as it was not a notice of interlocutory injunction, a mere writ does not mean an injunction. So the objection is sustained. Yes, my lady, that's it. Akusia, do you have anything to say before we go to the defense counsel?
Per Article 26(1)(a) of the Constitution of the Church, a successor of the leader is to be appointed within 3 calendar months after the death of the leader. Per Krista Asafo, our calendar month equals 12 months regular. Ghana, yeah, our calendar month,
Objection.
She has not finished. What are you objecting to? So wait for her to complete. I'll give you the time. So counsel, box on.
Me pacho, I see three calendar months. Within the 3 calendar months, and at this point, it's only been less than 1 calendar month. We still have enough time to appoint a leader. So I see no reason for us to rush. I appoint a leader. Also pay.
No, so you wait. Okay, wait. What is your objection, Anakojo? She is done with that statement. What's your objection?
Objection was based on the calendar month. Which calendar is she talking about?
And I know because you support calendar. Me calendar me work for Krista Asafo no sanity.
Which calendar are you talking about?
Me calendar for Krista Asafo. Krista Asafo calendar.
Jewish calendar.
No.
Krista Asafo calendar.
Hold on. And Nana Kojo, you cannot make their case for them, and you cannot ask this question because it is within our jurisdiction to ask those questions. So I allow counsel to finish. I thought you were raising the objection on a point of law. So counsel, the objection is overruled. Continue.
Thank you. And see, 3 calendar months equals 3 years. And Papa no we and Andrew 1 year points, we are not even halfway through a calendar month. So there's enough time for us to take our time and appoint a leader. I see no reason for that process to be rushed. And per Article 27(1)(c) of our
before you go on, I have a question for counsel.
All right, hold on, counsel.
You said per the Constitution, when the leader passes away, you install a successor within 3 months. Am I correct?
3 calendar months.
3
Yes.
calendar months.
Yes.
And as far as we know, and per the facts, the leader died in September of 2025.
Mm-hmm.
And we are in 2026.
Mm-hmm.
June.
Mm-hmm.
Is that not more than 3 calendar months?
I know na make sure say Krista Asafo ye calendar ye di pretty. 3 calendar months no equals 3 years. To me pay attention. My lady, I apologize.
Calendar months
Withdraw.
3 years.
You are giving your own interpretation.
Nana Kojo, wait, don't come in. Let her finish.
Sorry for
my lady is engaging her. And my lady,
my lady,
be minded. Cancel. Be minded. Withdraw that statement.
Per Crystal, I withdraw. Per Crystal Asafo calendar no 3 calendar months equals 3 years.
So a calendar month increase a year?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead.
Okay. And now per article 27
Objection.
1C.
Counsel, what are you objecting to?
I'm objecting to the assertion that my colleague had made.
No, Counsel, no, Counsel, hold on. You have your time to lead.
You will have your time.
No, hold on. You have your time to lead your client case in evidence. If you have any controvertible evidence, you can put it before the court. Now, what she has said is before the court. So the burden is now upon you to adduce evidence to controvert it. So if you have any evidence, whenever that you are making a presentation, you can bring it before us. Then we shall make a determination on that. The objection is overruled. Can you wrap up?
Okay, per Article 27 1C of the Constitution. Articles not doors so Constitution. The founder stated that the founder stated that Akofuna can no longer be reinstated as the leader of the church, and therefore 2 of his other sons should be nominated or elected as the leader of the church. Also, being that only a male child can succeed the leader of the church. Nti ano ya 1 point. Ne papa so ntimi ntipio. And per Article 20.
You have less than a minute to wrap up.
Okay, any per Felix per Festus also Badu, and also per the Constitution I saw shoot Okay, per the Constitution, the leaders will have to consult the Queen Mother before they can make any decisions as far as electing a new founder. And that was not done. The Queen Mother was not consulted. She was not in the known. They went ahead and elected or they went ahead and did they voted on who needs to be the new leader of Krista Asafo. But the Queen Mother was not informed. She was not invited to the election, even though she does understand that she's not able to vote, but she should have been in the know.
Order in court.
She should have been in the known, and she should have been there or probably be informed of the outcome of the election. She was not advised on the outcome of the election.
All right, your time is up. Yes, your time is up. All right, okay. Do you have any further questions for them, my lady? Do you have any quick questions?
To take notice of Festus, because she started a conversation and then she went back and changed it. Is that something she wants the court to record, or that is...
My lady, can we scratch that, please?
Okay.
Off record.
Okay.
All right.
I had a question based on that. And also her colleague also said that So Obini Nyankopon won tokwa. Can she help the court understand that?
All right, counsel, can you come clear on that?
That was not my statement, but the statement of the leader, the founder.
So
that one is particularly a spiritual statement that I cannot explain to you. But it was a statement made by the founder.
What did the founder say? Have repeated.
He said, "Se obi osi obi a oni nyankopon like God has and as a God mom has an issue with him, cannot lead the church."
Okay.
Yes, I'll be Bibia or the Bejani now, like it will go down the drain.
Okay, so the founder meant to say, akofna actions. Ene niyama bi awaye no. Odini almost yesi ni hina enye ye because yesi ni hina onyame bukura befu Kristo asafo. Because nisu ene ne bang enye Christ like. And for that reason he can never be the leader of the church because yesa onyame ebubefu Kristo asafo na in onyame bubesef ebacho tumi ne bisa question.
We need a clarification.
Yeah, into onyame bufu Kristo asafo a onyame besefu Ghana na yempese nyame bufu show ebeba Ghana so. Into for that reason akofuna wontimi enye the leader of
the church. Thank you. That's all I have.
Okay, thank you, my lady.
This is Bato.
Address the Your lordship.
But you in as much as a pay, not those who are called to you as in Mumian power tap. Why? Mumian follow kids in 9 power tap. Motor to gates near there. You go pay, not those who pay, not those that are not take off what's here. And I pay to Mr. Be a fan and some more screen so. On my life, they're 50-50. It will be 50K. I'm also forget near there.
Yeah, quite dear me, gun because it's my radio.
As the motor to give near there. Lie on there, the bike where you won't lie on that. It's the motor because I could say that's a pay and point won't mention or just you move there 48. But that's it. My lord, but with me to us.
Okay, all right. Defense counsel, let the court hear your case.
Okay, my main casa first. Now, Messimia, Opoku Ajimai, Abam.
Hey, mummy, no macabum.
Yeah, there will be a sewer. Now, based on asama modia bakot ya mo file na Friday na ho asem na ya baba beka nti mo bie mo aso mo bia mfa na adwen enko etututu bi asem asa you get confused asem no say asem we dey asem ketwa ye nyima akola bi ba ewo wi asem akola na ni nyinsen kura ye yikyere ne papa ama ye yikyere ne papa sa akola na eba be wona dia omba asase we so no mbamba ye nti na akola no ye wo no to ho apɛ ena ne papa nankasa akola no wo maame o but ne papa nankasa share no asofo atade akola no ni wiase oba in school
so me pacho mereba ajoyebo thank you for the money gun pacho twaso
objection.
Be careful o ye wo court wati objection. Eni braba akola no ye wo no pɛ na papa no and another circumstance na anka ye maame na tete ne ba but we the papa nankasa because of vision na Nyankopon di yi ma papa na entere ye wo akola no to form na papa no share no asofo atade a papa akola no school okonia in spite of school akesi okoye nia no na nko betumi aye dwuma bi e wo wiase nko betumi aye dwuma po White House but ne papa ama wanye ne papa ma ni nuanom kan no pursue obia career ope wo wiase but akola ne de ono de because ni nyinse mu yeyi ma ne papa ne ntino no we nya choice to decide in the career ne papa de the career man ne papa de ne career man no ema obata ne ho
Hold on. What's your objection?
Pacho, it will be I want the court to take notice of all the children normal pursue career. The person in question is an engineer. Into our career, he was trained to be an engineer. He was not just trained as a
The word
leader.
is pursue.
Oh,
The
cancel.
word is
Wait.
pursue.
He's not just an engineer on paper. He did pursue his career as an engineer as well.
So what's the objection about? Are you objection?
He was not just raised to be a leader, but he had a profession. He was trained, and he was even in, I think, most of the Papano way as engineering part. He was there pursuing the course of whatever he was trained on.
All right, so I'm going to overrule the objection for now because I don't know where counsel is heading to. So let's wait for him to speak a little bit. Counsel, continue.
Denise metua so a akora nankasa ne papa ne no masema video wo hwekire chesa akora we no owo no from ne nyinse mo baye no share no sofo atade se ono no ne be nante ono no be hye na nem e wo na sofo die mu in spite of ne school o ma ne ko anyway ni ano no oteti akwala no e wo ne sofo semu se ono na ne puma no bekura ampa so akwala ni nyiye nia no odi puma ni kura no odi puma ni kura no
hold on in the hub I had also go raise objection say evidence no me man raise it because me yes evidence ben or wa or person say papa na na dwen so de ne ba ne be si ade so I had also go raise objection.
And me raise the objection, but with different reasons.
Evidence that Papa no yes, but Obia was raised.
No, but I also raise the objection.
No, I me what problem with because he too was raised to pursue a particular goal, which he was pursuing.
No, Tihe, say, or no, Nana could you make it take our say, Papa no. I can't so na Papa na adwin so ne bedi na into or make a case for Kojesafuno into our sell case ba. To person say Kojesafu ahinye no and starting ne. Into no, I want also raise objection. Edit striking out say, oh boy. Into no, mpacho to us. So next time, I could see a moment in now.
And I don't make us me objection. No, cry different. Me objection in a sense say, what evidence does he have say? All the other kids, were not equally groomed for the leadership role.
All right. Okay. So cancer answer.
Video evidence. Ewo Papa nankasa ne no masem. Okay.
Okay, say dey.
Okay, say me ba we from ne nyinse mo ye wo ne to ho no mo a. E na me am me de me sofo atade share no. So onu e na obesi manem. Internet
so
let me flow.
2 minutes coming in. Wait. Okay. 2 minutes coming in.
Counsel, is the court privy to this evidence you are referring to?
Exactly.
Nana Kwajo,
yes, my lordship.
24.
Which is that?
That is exhibit K01.
My lord, objection,
no, my lady.
Objection.
No. My case.
No, hold on. My lady is talking. Hold on, my lady.
So you raised an objection, and then my brother asked you what you were objecting, and you mentioned what you and then he asked if counsel on the other side has something to say, and his response is that there is evidence backing what he's claiming, that the man raised the son as his successor. So my question is, does the court have this evidence? Are we privy to the evidence? And then you are objecting to that also. What are you objecting to?
I am objecting to the fact that there is also evidence showing that all the kids were equally groomed for a leadership role.
Okay, hold your thought.
Okay.
Counsel, Nana Kojo, do we have evidence? Is the court privy to that evidence that you are speaking to?
Yes, my honor.
And what is it?
Yes.
How is it identified?
It's SBK01.
Okay, and thank you. But counsel, on the other side, are you also saying you have evidence that he raised all the other kids as successors?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is the court privy to that information?
Yes.
Thank you. That's all.
Thank you.
Counsel, you can
Akosia, munyamu case ye, wati. Muntu aso. Nana kojo bode
Papa nankasa nenu masem from time akola na yawo ne nia enye me na make papa nankasa ye an interview mo ka ne nia intino from crin to cran until 2024 na papa no ne ba no a ono aka se owawo ne ma bebre but we na ye ne doba no na ye ne doba onne nanam wachire na asofodie no wachire ne se ne preachi ya wachire ne se ne di asafo nenem muntie na 2024 na BBC ye na enkofo portray no wrongly na me baba be chire mu die ye 2024 no ekokoba say me client because oya sorry penny intino ohun say sisi ya na wi ase na ye ko jezi world intino inkukrana
cancel. What is the meaning of jz word?
Me pamucho the meaning I should have put it in quotes. Say we are in the youthful century.
Exactly. So that jz word is struck out. Go ahead.
Yes.
And I also have a question. What is crin to cran?
That is the crin to cran was that from the beginning of his birth up to 2024.
Yes.
Into cemetery as well.
So next time say it properly, okay?
Yes, my lord.
This is a court of records.
Yes,
right?
my lord. Into cemetery as well. 2024 no. BBC na ebimu anti asie die see ne se my clients sha se leadership na nkokora no na take him of affairs no or start so return nkokora no mbi or return so anya se or return so mo kofi nkonkowu but or return mo de omo to salary so amoji omo pension and no more or dem rantie ni nketesia etoto some position bi mu intino sadie no aba be creative problem kakra inti be creative problem na kokwa yese wo ba no a wankasa no wo de wutumi ade yi no no ono so de netumi ye de ope ena papa na ka se ene sadie dia ene me impose me ba no wo mo so Sisia no sa imposition na mede imposi wo moso no me yie free moso na mede me ba no efre konwa na me amede ni sie so no
Objection.
na maye mra se
There's an objection. Yes, counsel.
Per the evidence provided in Exhibit 22. Nana Safo Akofona oyi mpenifone di not because to say they had reached their age of retirement or because he had their best interest at heart, but he did it solely to manipulate the voting system. Per the evidence provided, you see that some of the people that he had retired they were below retirement age. And he did so by not consulting any of the members of the chair, the CEOs and all the people. He didn't consult a lot of people. A lot of people were not informed. He just did it by himself. And for that reason, he did that for a day. I can't say that.
All right. Okay.
He did so he can manipulate the system to his advantage because the people that he retired, they were below retirement age. And my exhibit 22 will show that these people, because I do have the people that he retired, I have the identification with their date of birth that shows that these people were below retirement age.
All right. Council, any response for that?
I disapprove of the word manipulation because, can I continue?
Nobody is stopping you.
Okay. I disapprove it because now proud to 2024, now my client didn't even know, sir, you be in a free kunyaso.
No, okay, no. So cancel. Wait. She has mentioned a specific exhibit. Are you admitting that happened? However, the word manipulation is what your issue is.
I'm not admitting that evidence,
but
because
counsel says there is an evidence before us. She has mentioned the exhibit number.
I don't have notice of it, and I knew that in our CMC it was made clear that there was nothing like surprises that should happen in this trial.
Objection overruled. You know what? I've cited the evidence. The exhibit number is here. So if you are unable to give any controvertible exhibit to overturn it, I think I'm going to overrule your objection. Objection overruled. Continue.
The internal cases.
So you know what, and counsel, next time take a cue from the bench. Don't use manipulation, just use malicious. Okay, malicious is a right legal word. Okay.
Okay, Your Honor, please let it be known to the court that the exhibit was presented during the CMC and it was accepted by the courts as well. Thank you.
I feel I'm here, Jumano.
Na many kumo makwako from many na kutuntu mi amedibe do no yankasa.
My lady will be very kind. My lady has.
I object to that.
So hold on. My lady is talking. My lady is talking.
May I make a clarification from Akosia T, the council? Since Christo Asafo has its own arrangement, which is outside of the normal things that we know. For example, your calendar, your dates, your calendar, because from what you told the court earlier, one calendar month means a year in Christo Asafo. Do you also have something like that when it comes to retirement ages, or with the ages you go according to what is known to everybody, say 65 years or 70 years is retirement? Do you use the same retirement ages as everybody else outside of Christo Asafo, or you have specific dates that you use in your denomination?
Okay, thank you, my lady. Per our constitution, the retirement age is 75.
Hey, okay, go ahead. That's all. I just wanted to make that clear. Ask that for the court. Counsel, please.
Okay, thank you so much. So, counsel, continue with your presentation. You have 3 minutes, please.
3 minutes. Wow. Okay.
Yeah. You have 3 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. 2024.
So, counsel, let me give you a cue. Now they have raised some issues of law pursuant to the articles in the amended constitution. The court will be much happy if you can go straight and address that, because they are saying they are evoking that article, challenging the eligibility of your client. So if you can go there, the court want to hear you on that. Address the court on that. All the history, we thank you, but address the court on that particular session.
Yes. I'm just there. 2024 amendment because Now amendment na ekoso because of say asorpenin we impose ne ba wo so nti no oba be yi ne ba ne free ekonwa so na oya amendment ne se nti se sisi ano ono
be mindful of that.
Oh, sorry my lord. Enti oya ne se
My lord.
Are you objecting to your colleague?
No, I'm not objecting. I want to tender in audio evidence after so on why?
All right, don't worry, let him finish.
Amendment no oya ne se sisi ano onfa obia en share asori no so but our mamma miensa se oni ho no mo a asori to omo so aba no mu yi ba ko asomo leader na constitution be bie ni wono ma e kiro se ne bana oyi no efire konya so no oni tumi se edu election na ogina bi eni bebi asa enti no enunti ena o ye no so no constitution no ekire ni pakora osi se nyame frɛ no a ontoto nioma hwɛ sɛ yebeyi leader obegina na name ampaso no wuye no so no dia constitution no ma no ho kwan no eye senia aso ne
Objection.
An objection?
Per Article 26 of the Constitution, the leaders can only elect the new Supremo of the Safokantanka family by coordinating with the Queen Mother. The Queen Mother has to be part of the process. She has to be well informed of every step of the process. And in this instance, it didn't happen. Makasemi.
Wait.
Can I come in?
No, wait. So, which part of the Constitution? Can you state where the Constitution?
Article 27, 1, clause 1.
Okay. All right. Okay. Council, can you address that?
I will get to that because the constitution was done and enacted into law before the Queen Mother was even installed.
No, Council. She has raised a specific point of law. She's saying that per article, the article that she quoted, it states that you should consult the Queen Mother. And you said wait. And you said you are objecting to that. So that means you are telling the court that it may or may not be the case. So tell us if what she is saying in that article is not true. Is it true or is not true?
My lord, it is not true.
Is the said article in evidence?
Yes, it is. It was presented during the CMC as well.
All right.
I have not cited
the entire constitution. The entire constitution of the church was presented as evidence. The amended constitution was presented as evidence as well.
Cites after my submission.
Okay, so the objection is overruled. I just cited the constitution and it says explicitly what counsel is saying. So the objection is sustained. Yeah, the objection is sustained.
Hey,
yes, it's sustained.
Order is no one in the constitution that says that.
Akramo, you'll be cited for contempt. My lady, you're cited for contempt.
The emotion in this street, no one ever how.
Akosia, who did
It's rubbish.
I could say I just will raise the objection.
My lord, my
My
lord,
lord, make me attend in my audio evidence, no.
You want to tender in your audio evidence?
Yeah, about Kantanka, Udin Banwan dance, Dinti.
Okay, so let me leave it for my lady to maybe if she has something to say.
Objection.
I feel like Jumano. I feel like you see.
Me passion the evidence was not.
So 2.5%.
The moment wo other colleague ni be na be say or the bibi ba be rem no wo de
Isn't
what
happening?
I say on TSU object evidence ye nya ko rem de be din tina me share da e ka say me person my lady ka bi na person go so adwene ba so na raise objection ti go so raise objection
It's coming one woman show.
my honor, I've cited
Hey,
the
my
exhibit
object
number.
hold on also
It is
person
in
or
evidence
Mr.
already.
Jiman saw the video evidence.
That it
And I'm
is
objecting.
and I may say,
hold on. Hold on. You know what?
I've tendered it already.
No. So that should be your argument when she raised the objection. So just chill up. So that should be your
Also,
argument.
me objecting. See, some
What's
things
the
me objecting. And I me objection is that the video was not present during the CMC. So
counsel, you
I
have.
don't have any record of the evidence.
And I'm saying that it's part of my exhibit, and I've given you the exhibit number KO1.
All right.
I said
so,
it during
Your
my
Honor,
submission.
Your Honor, per the video that I witnessed, if my co-counsel, if my co-counsel, how na name co-counsel?
colleague.
Now, if per the video that my learned colleague is referring to, the video is distorted. Is the person speaking is not recognizable? Are we referring to the same video?
No, hold on. Okay. So, Nana Kojo, you are saying that this video that you want to play to the court is already in evidence, right?
My lord, it's not video, it's audio.
No, I said audio.
Oh, sir, I don't could be so bet me adding evidence about room. And not in a mebam, Nana Kojo, you and your co-counsel won't communicate.
Hold on, my lady is talking.
My lady speak.
I was just asking them to let you finish before.
Exactly. So, is that evidence? Is that exhibit in evidence already?
Yes, my lord.
Was it
exhibit KO1?
All your evidence is labeled KO1.
KO1.
No. I am talking about this particular one that he is coming to play for the court hearing.
The previous one was KO1. I think I asked earlier, and it was also KO1. That's why I'm asking.
Yes, because it is all in that audio.
All in one folder.
Yes, all in one folder.
Okay, counsel. So your objection is that the video that he is coming to play is not in evidence. That is one, and also you are objecting to the authenticity of the video, right?
Yes, that's because if we are referring to the said evidence that he mentioned, I did watch the video and I am objecting to the authentication of the video.
All right, okay. But do you agree it's already part of their exhibit?
Yes, I agree per what he said. Yes.
But you are objecting to the authenticity, right?
Yes.
My lady, I leave this one to you. I am in your hands with this objection. I am in your hands with this objection.
I have cited the video. We would take note of that, and so objection is overruled. Counsel, can you continue? We would the bench would take note. We would
put weight on it if it's necessary.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So can she play the video? Can he play the video?
Yes.
All right.
Hey.
So Akusia Mpacha Hano, why are there pa? You see, the main.
See, my lord, that's a wife who can't say go as
See that
So why you lucky?
Nana koto minya lucky o, minya lucky. Minya lucky, ma come wash me ni order.
Is there the lawyer and judge and I about high court to me when I
So to me,
Dorinda.
can I play my evidence?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
No, I can divorce from Kokra Amasafono. O Madoso. And then the dance so war, Namako Josafa Funahuntia, or no, and I would day one seguno so. I can't start a matuna bravo to say, O Medi Asafonenim.
The time the pass of Tadia, the say, yes, dear son, and the man. And I didn't so baby, I didn't done so I'm fan to her. A free talk. And you know me wound is signing to know, as a mere major, Namatino or me quans. No to me, and I may move and I may move any cheer. Namcasati Moa. O tea, there be no menenda cossoy. Namia consua. What Jim Mike and hello. I know the bomb Malacassin so.
No.
I'm mammy. And ten half me who said, O Mancasa Usa, and so they need you. And I mean, so the air I made you no, so no. It was the fear say, no, you know.
What am I waiting now? I just said,
My lord.
I'm sorry, I went down. Yeah.
Okay, I hope you have heard the audio.
So the no. So you want
your network.
Oh.
What's happening?
It's breaking.
Prestige, we can't hear you. Your network.
Just sabotage Adiem.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear.
Yeah, we can hear you
now. Yeah,
yes.
The Wi-Fi airdrop into the microphone. So, message. So, is this on us to net?
So your network is red. Okay.
Yeah, me say. So, is that all your the audio you want the court to hear? Is it
yes.
all? Is that all?
Yes. Is that all? It's long, right. But this is the part that I need.
So this is the part that I want to rely on.
Yeah, to support our evidence, to support our case.
My brother, you should have played all.
No, so since you said this is the part that you want to rely on, the court has taken cognizance of that. All right. So we're going to determine if we're going to put weight or how much weight we're going to put on it. All right. Okay. Thank you. It's not before I'm or raise objection to the authenticity of the evidence. No. And no here pa na could just makusi apakad ba kusa trinity free because the thing is already before the court as exhibit, so you cannot say you are objecting to it, say it's not part of the case. But you have to raise objection in line with the authenticity. So I don't cry about the bonocrano. You can say court no cry edgy because and you're authentic, then it will give the court the opportunity to hear. There I am you be put weight on it. To me, then that means then your mama kwana mumbo na yinti ni hu kwana be fa so e di weight e beto so you guys you did well on that aspect.
My lord.
So
can I come in? The reason why I play this audio evidence, I say the me kind of saying me friend Yakosia saying oh yeah accused and also then
No, your learned colleague.
Leonard colleague. One put two weight yeah one answer no evidence or produce.
No. So you know what we are coming to addresses. Okay. And then I'll obey addresses. Okay. So now can you give them the opportunity for them to give the address, or you have any questions for them?
Not at this time. So yes, they can go ahead.
Okay, all right. So, counsel for the plaintiff, can you address the court, summarize everything that you've said, tell the court why you think the court should grant your reliefs for you?
For the plaintiff, that's what that.
Yeah.
Again, yes, what?
Me bacho me na yo sorry. And man say I think you go out of that.
Counsel for plaintiff.
No, me ya weapon me ja kon say ya me ho adaje.
All right.
Closing argument, right? Okay. So me pamacho me clients adwa safoa. Ne papa ewo ni nuamu nyina no wodo mo fa enchichiemu to raise them to potentially be the leaders of the church. All herself and her siblings, now they all went through that training. Adwasafo, in addition to that, chose to become a lawyer and pursue a career in political in politics. Akofna also went through the same training and in addition chose a career in aviation. He became a pilot. And he chose that at some point he decided that the aviation industry in Ghana was not so profitable, so he channeled his energy, his knowledge from aviation towards the automobile company that his father created. So it was not solely because he was the chosen one, but it was because his knowledge that he gained from aviation, he was able to channel that into the automobile industry. Adwa Safo, my client, was made the queen mother of the Safo Kantanka family and movement in church and all the companies in the year 2025. In addition to her being the queen mother, she was also appointed as the CEO to run and take care of all the businesses, including the church as well. This election and nomination was done by the then leader of the Kantanka clan, a movement, and a Kantanka family.
How they can be
your case and I'm
vigilante
of the Kantanka family. And so as a queen mother of the Kantanka family, she was, in addition to her also running the businesses and everything else as a CEO, she also she was included in a new constitution. And in that constitution, she had rights. She was given some rights, some roles and responsibilities in the constitutions as well. Some of the responsibilities included that she partakes in electing the new leader when Nana Safo Kantanka is no more. And for some reason, the leaders of the church and Nana Safo Akofna, they secretly elected Akofna as the leader of the church without consulting the Queen Mother. They went ahead and did so, but per the Constitution, the Queen Mother should have been involved, but she wasn't. In addition to that, before the demise of Nana Safo Kantanka, he did stated publicly that Akofna has offended the gods. He has offended God, and God is not happy. If Akofna was to be the leader of the Safo-Kantanka family, he will bring shame and he will bring curse to not just the family, but to the country Ghana as a whole. Considering these, I believe that if Akofna is
yes, you identity. Oh, yeah, address now. Nyobe can be an no, I refer the court to the exhibit or the aba. Maybe an okay as is in exhibit 4.
okay.
What I say?
As in the video evidence exhibit 22, Kantanka himself stated that Akofna is made the leader of the Kantanka family. He will bring curse to not just the Kantanka family, but to the nation Ghana. And as such, I see no reason why the leaders should elect Akofna to evoke a curse